Oh, it's raining again. At least there's no super high winds. Oh, we're getting there. Slowly but surely. I have a battle with mice going on. And I don't know if they came with these straw bales, because I didn't have them before that. But, yeah, don't know. So, started getting lumber yesterday for putting the pole barn, pole building that will go here, the first stage. Get the well housing covered up. A 16 by 12 foot building I'm looking at. And then I will frame the inside of it, insulate it, cement floor, all that. Little Jenny rain, there just hasn't been enough sunshine for the solar panels on top of the cap over to charge the battery. So I did a big no-no yesterday. I brought some lumber back from Elko and had it over the top, the 16-foot pieces. So let's see if I can point right there. So push the cab in. So I'll have to take the headliner down, push that back out at some point. But let's see, let's get this back to normal. But I'm hoping that it'll quit raining long enough, at least for an hour or two, so I can get these posts in, at least around the perimeter and the base 2x6s. I would be very happy camper before I head back to California tomorrow for a couple days, and then return trip Monday. Seen something running across around 5 o'clock or so out to there. Didn't tell what it was, but most likely a coyote. But it is a beautiful day. It's not really cold, just wet. Well, I think that's about it, unless I get something worth videoing today.